In the last demo, we created a BigTable database. In this demo, let's see how easy it is to add data to that database. So here I am back in the console, and here's my database, demo-BigTable. To add some data, I'm going to open up Google Cloud Shell. Cloud Shell includes a CLI called CBT, which we can use for BigTable. CBT relies on a configuration file. Now I have some code pre-built, so we don't have to type it all in. So I'm going to run these two commands here. All these commands are going to do is put my project ID and my BigTable instance into the configuration file whose name is .cbtrc. So let me just copy those two lines of code and run them in the shell. Now if we type cat cbtrc, then we'll see our project and our BigTable instance were entered into that configuration file. Now we want to create a table inside our BigTable database. So we're going to run this command, cbt create table pets table. A BigTable table consists of columns, and columns are contained within column families. So let's first create a column family. So that's this command, cbt create family. The family name will be called pet info, and it's going to be inside the pets table that we created in the last command. Now let's type cbtls, and that shows us our table. And then if we type cbtls and the name of that table, that'll show us the column family that we've created within the table. Now we want to add some data to the table. So we're going to add 3 rows. So we're going to run cbt set, and we're going to add this data to the pets table, and then each row of data is going to require a key. So notice in the first row is my name Doug, and then my dog Bree, and then in the second table, again it's my name Doug and my dog Noir. And then in the third table is my friend Mike and his dog Pickles. So each of these are row keys here. Now we're going to add columns, and remember columns are in column families. So we have a column family called pet info. So I'm going to, in the pet info family, I'm going to add a column called owner, whose value is Doug, and another value name, whose value is Bree, and another column breed, whose value is Mutt. And so we'll add Bree and Noir and Pickles to the table. So let's copy these 3 lines of code, and we'll paste them into Cloud Shell. Now let's read the table. So we'll say cbt read and read the pets table. And there's our data. Now let's find Pickles. So notice the command, we're going to do a cbt lookup in the pets table, and we're going to look for a row whose ID is Mike: Pickles. So there we have Pickles. Now let's find all of Doug's pets. So now we're going to read the pets table, but we're only looking for rows that are prefixed with Doug. And there's Doug's 2 dogs, Bree and Noir. It's easy to create data. It's also easy to delete the data. So let's delete our table. CBD delete table, pets table, and the data will go away. Now we'll type cbtls again, and we'll see the table is gone. That's how easy it is to add data to BigTable and then read the data out. This is Doug Renstrom with ROI Training.